Go. 안녕하세요. Hey, everybody. Welcome to Hallyu Ill. Kudana and I are here once again. And you know what? As you can see, it's not only her and me, we have very handsome guests with us. We're so excited because, they joined us very recently in our Hallyu debut Reloaded and they won a lot of hearts. Kudana.
I
Gentlemen, please
saw.
introduce yourselves.
2, 3. Let the stars align. Sync. Hello, my name's John.
Hi guys, my name is Pen.
Hi, I'm Sevi.
Hi, I'm Klein. Nice to meet you po.
Nice to meet you.
Maayong
Hello,
buntag.
hello, guys. How are you guys? Kumusta na? How are you guys?
Masaya po. We've been resting for ilang weeks na. Pero masaya po kasi marami po kaming napuntahang masasayang places and we get to relax. Even nung nasa Cebu po kami, masaya na rin po yung time namin around that week.
What did you guys do? Did you try any food here in Cebu?
Madami po kaming sinubukan pero remarkable talaga yung lechon. Lechon. Sabi ko kasi sana lechon ng Cebu. Ayun, yung lechon.
Okay.
Kaming natutunan na, I don't know if it's a big general knowledge sa lahat, pero yung sauce pala po sa lechon in Cebu, madalas ay suka instead
Yes.
of dito po kasi gravy. So it was interesting. We tried it.
Do you have a favorite part of the lechon?
I think skin.
Yeah, your skin.
The skin.
So crunchy.
And the aromatics inside. I think
Yeah.
So does that mean you're the gourmand in the group? You like to cook or you
Yeah,
just like to eat?
we all like to eat. We all love to
Okay. Okay.
try the seaweed tsaka talaba.
Oh, really?
Pero
Yeah.
like yung sauce niya po sobrang
Suka.
anghang lang po talaga.
Oo,
Parang
suka.
grabe.
And also yung parang ng saging.
Oh, yeah, yung
Mm.
kinilaw.
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 Kinilaw ng saging.
Yeah.
Something like that.
So good.
Nice, guys. Thank you very, very much for really performing for both days. Dana, I was so surprised because these guys are so down to earth, and they even were able to perform for 2 days in the event. It's so amazing. Thank you so much, guys.
Po,
Thank
sa
you din po.
pagpapa-unlock po sa amin to perform on Cebu stage. Maraming salamat po.
And you know what? They won a lot of starbursts those 2 nights.
Ah.
So many starbursts.
I noticed,
And there
I saw the video and the cheering was next
Yeah.
level.
Tigil kahit umuulan eh.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, it was raining. That's true.
Pag
Yeah.
pa rin po sila.
Can you introduce yourselves and like your role in the group?
Okay po. Actually, wala na po kaming main roles. Actually, simula pa naman wala kaming main. Before we had,
Okay.
we're all, kaya namin gawin lahat ng kailangan sa isang grupo. We all sing, we all rap, we all dance. So, just to clear things up, wala po kaming main roles bukod sa leader. Yeah, that's for the group itself. Pero behind the scenes, as an independent group, meron talaga kaming mga roles. Tulad ng, okay, you introduce yourself and your role behind.
Behind.
Yeah, behind. But
Hello, my name is Jai and ako yung nag-e-edit ng mga vlogs, how to edit videos and yeah. And ako din yung minsan magiging cameraman nila.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then, hello po, ako po si Pen. Ako po yung eldest sa group. I stand as their kuya and then also as their creative director din po. Whenever they need advices or guidance sa mga creative outputs namin, they get to ask me and then I give them advice.
Hello po, I'm Sevi and part po ako ng dance unit and minsan po ako nagtuturo sa mga dance cover namin like K-pop po, like that po.
He's one of the choreographers with Pen. Sila yung madalas nagko-choreo ng dance namin. And ako naman po si Klein. Ako po yung leader and bunso din po ng group. and I'm one of the songwriters actually. Yung nirelease namin 3 songs, I'm part of those 3 songs. And ano ba? Madalas ako nag-organize, of course, nung mga kailangan namin gawin
Schedules.
every day. Yeah, those are our roles pa. Parang mag-argue kami doon. Kailangan namin paglabanan yung role na yun.
Bigyan ko na lang sexy.
Ako po yung pinakatahim.
Ako yung sexy.
Introvert.
Really fan, really fan. I believe Sevi kasi one time, so funny, during the event, I was in the side, Kudana. Tapos sila, they were dancing, of course. Tapos Sevi looked at our side and he just smiled like, all the girls were shouting. Wow. It
Patindi
was
ang
so much fun. And so, yeah, then. O, diba? So, yes, I believe Sevi, pero Pen, I don't believe you. Oh my goodness. Guys, were you surprised that there were so many starbursts that were made on that weekend? Or that also came to watch you guys?
Yes po, we were surprised kasi going on the Hallyu event, we didn't expect much kasi it was very short. It was very sudden din.
Yeah.
So nung pumunta kami, we're expecting na there were gonna be watchers, pero not starburst. Pero nung nandoon na kami sa stage, on our perspective, they were all like interested watching, listening lang sa ginagawa namin. So upon seeing that view, we were getting hyped sa stage kasi they were looking at us, smiling. And then
Yes.
phones are out, yung parang nag-video talaga sila. So kami parang in my mind, gusto lang namin is to make them feel na this is the only time they're gonna watch this kind of performance.
Yeah, we're actually very grateful kasi nung first day, syempre mas onti yung tao kasi nung second day talagang ramdam namin na mas dumami yung nag-abang sa amin. Kasi during the first day, of course, they were curious kung sino kami, ganyan. And then after we announced that we're gonna be performing sa second day, natuwa kami na nung nag-perform na kami on second day, there were like a lot more people na nag-aabang sa amin. Like, they were also cheering our names na compared to the first day. Kaya mas nag-enjoy din talaga kami nung second day. And actually, parang nag-perform kami more than five songs nung second day. Kaya ayun, sobrang enjoy lang and hindi namin naramdaman ng kahit anong pagod that day. And,
Ang tanong, ano ba talaga tayo? Nag-event ba talaga tayo or party?
yeah, parang actually it's more like a party yung second day. Parang encore na, no?
Very welcoming din kasi yung crowd. So parang sobrang comfortable namin. Even kasi beside the stage was parang a road, highway. So even the
Kahit yung mga dumadaan sa
the
bus.
motor, they're like doing
Yeah,
that. I
I
think
love
they thought
Cebuanos.
we're foreigners. But nung narinig nila kami mag-Tagalog, they were happy. So they stopped
Tagalog.
Oo, kahit yung mga dumadaan na nakabus, binubutan ng
Opo.
pintuan, tapos nag-hi sila.
yes.
Very welcoming mga Cebuanos.
We love that.
Guys, you are so down to earth. We really were amazed by that. But then when the music plays, boom, like performance level 1000%. How do you do that? What's your secret? Like super, Dana, like super great.
I think yung pinaka on our experience, we conserve energy kasi po. We actually on the day of performance, we conserve our energy para pagdating sa stage talagang lahat ng kinonserve namin malalabas namin doon. Without pero hindi kami mababali on our personality pa rin. Siyempre, when people talk to us, we still talk, we still engage. Pero for having like that 1000% ng energy sa stage, we need to really concentrate, focus on what's gonna happen, what we're gonna do. Ganun po.
So guys, because you conserve, is there any tradition or is there any ritual you do before you actually perform?
Yes po, actually, syempre, hindi naman mawawala yung pag-warm up namin kasi sobrang importante for an artist, for a performer yon. Pero ang pinaka-importante sa amin is we pray before we go on stage. Kasi talagang doon namin, masa-center lahat ng energy namin. And syempre, we ask for guidance na, syempre, hindi lang naman kami yung nandito na magpe-perform, lagi kami, binigyan kami ng talent to share with everyone. So, syempre, we ask for guidance.
What song are we gonna share with everyone?
So this song is very special for us. It's our debut song titled Balang Araw. It's written by me and Klein. So this song is very special kasi this serves as our inspiration moving forward into our career in this path. So I hope everyone who listens to this gets to resonate din po whenever they feel like the world is not spinning on their end, mahirap mag-move forward, mahirap maghanap ng inspiration. This song really tackles about hoping for more even if it's hard.
That is a very, very inspiring song. It will inspire, like Ben said, anyone from any age. You know, it's talking about your dream, and it makes me cry actually when I listen to the lyrics of that song. Honestly, guys, maybe I think it's perfect to go back to how it all began. How did you guys meet? Can you tell us about how the group was formed?
Ooh, that's very long story. Pero I think we started with different paths muna before we started as P-pop idols. And then, the good thing naman po is we're already friends. We knew each other before we started. So, upon working with each other, we decided na, why not we try to create P-pop boy group. Yun na rin po yung start na uso yung mga P-pop boy groups around, back then. So, when we decided to create boy group, then doon na po nag-start na mag-pursue kami ng mga trainings namin, mga dance, songs, tsaka raps na pinag-aaralan namin. And then when given opportunity naman po, thankful kami na na-reach namin yung point as Sync. So, masaya naman po kami na we're already here sharing our music and our artistry. And we get the chance to share it sa mga Starburst namin.
When you were beginning, did you ever go through a stage na nag-perform kayo tapos nobody's there or konti lang tao, mga stuff? Did you ever go through like a situation like that? Ever?
There were a lot of times po na magpe-perform. Kasi actually kahit hindi lang sa beginning eh. Kahit nga po minsan may mga point pa na, kasi madalas nasa bandang dulo kami na performer. Minsan nasa last sa list of performers. And syempre inaabot ng late night, ng gabi. And then syempre yung mga fans madalas nakauwi na, umuwi na. Yeah, pero despite that, of course, lagi ko namang sinasabi sa members na kahit isa lang, kahit onti lang or marami man yung tao, dapat pare-pareho lang yung energy na ibibigay namin sa stage. Kahit man puno pa yan, maging arena man yan, o maging 5 tao lang yung nakaupo sa harap namin. As long as may pumunta, nanonood sa amin, ibibigay namin yung best namin.
Kahit mama ko lang yun.
Kahit family man namin yan.
Yes, of course.
Oh my goodness, that's a very great attitude. That's why you are leader Nim, Clyde. That's why you're a leader Nim. So what is your measure of a good performance? What for you is like, oh, okay, this is a great performance?
I think, without being technical, yung feeling na maraming nagiging interested sa amin. I think that's where I can measure na maganda yung naging performance namin. Kasi nagustuhan nila and then they get to ask for more. Pa-follow nila kami, tas stalk nila kami, and then they're gonna comment na parang gusto ko kayo mapanood live, ganyan, gusto ko ulit kayo makita. Something like that. I think yun po yung nagiging measure namin ng good performance. But with being technical naman, I think every time na we're happy performing, yun yung feeling namin, it was a good performance. Though minsan, hindi mawawala yung mga technical problems, ganyan. Pero on our end naman, as artists, we get to continue pa rin, dapat 100% pa rin. Magkamali man or magpag-pause man, tuloy pa rin. Para at least silang mga nanonood, mga Starburst man or mga normal na.
Strict ba si Pen at saka si Sevi in terms of rehearsals? Are they scary?
Yes, good thing, yes po. They're strict naman po, and it's a good thing na parang meron kaming sinusundan na
Ah.
dito ka, wag kang lilingon, dito ka muna, ganun. Naman kami
By actors.
kasi it's for us.
Kasi apat na lang po kami, grabe
Mm-mm.
naman po kung di pa makinig.
Tsaka,
Diba?
tsaka mas mabilis po yung process pag nakikinig at may discipline lahat.
Yes. At ano,
When
lahat
everyone's
naman kami may
interested.
mga discipline.
When everyone's invested in what we are
Yes.
doing.
Yeah.
Para sa lahat din naman po yung rehearsal at pagiging strict namin.
Kasi nagre-result din yun sa performance eh. Tulad nga po nung natanong nyo din kanina, feeling ko successful performance din sa amin kapag it's very internal. Kapag na-enjoy namin na parang hindi kami nagpe-perform. Kapag para lang kaming nag-have fun
Like
on
what
stage.
happened sa Cebu?
Yeah.
Enjoy lang po talaga.
Feeling ko ganun. Successful performance siya kapag yung na-feel namin, na-feel din ng fans na hindi siya parang contradicting siya, ironic siya, pero hindi siya parang performance.
Feel at home sa stage.
Feel at home sa stage.
Yeah, we call it our playground minsan, yung stage. Playground namin.
Yeah, that's true. And since you already mentioned it, no, I was looking at some of your videos and I see three other guys in terms of sync. Can you tell us a little something about that?
Yung Sync po kasi, nag-debut talaga kami last November 2024 with 7 members. Opo. Pero, disclaimer lang, we're not going to be talking for, the 3 other members. We can only talk about our own experiences po. Pero the group kasi, as an independent group, just to share, the group kasi has been through a lot. So much in our hands. So, I think, nung December or around December 2025 last year, the 3 other members decided, to not continue with the group anymore. And we respect that, of course, kasi kahit 7 tayo dito sa group, of course, medyo may pangahawakan tayo dun eh. Pero of course, as individual people, we respect them, yung decisions nila. And of course, kami naman, hindi naman naging madali for us yung naging decision na yon. But pangarap din namin kasi to eh. And of course, hindi namin ibibigay yung, kumbaga, yung decision lang just because other people left or what. Siyempre, gusto rin namin to. So of course, kahit kaming 4, is 4 na lang, 4 pa rin kami. We are very solid pa rin as 4. And of course, kung ano yung minahal sa amin ng Starburst namin from what we were when we were 7, yun pa rin yung ibibigay namin as 4. Even more. Kasi,
So-
diba? Kahit naging 4 kami, at least, not at least, kahit naging 4 kami, mas kaya pa namin ibigay kung ano yung mapapakita pa namin sa mga Starburst. Marami pa silang dapat abangan. Kasi with those challenges po, parang mas na-unlock pa namin kung ano yung mga kaya namin gawin. Mas na-unlock pa namin yung potential that we had. Mas nakilala pa namin yung sarili namin. So yeah, I think going on into the new chapter, it's a blessing in disguise. It was a challenge, pero 'di ba, sabi nga, hindi naman tayo bibigyan ng challenge na hindi natin kaya. And everything happens for a reason. So, yun. Kaya po kami nandito ngayon,
Yes.
kausap kayo, kasi we are still very solid, same.
And it all came from our hearts naman, with all love. All the decisions we made were from hearts talaga. But despite everything, we still want to pursue what we want, personally and individually.
So I was gonna ask you guys, after all of that happened, when you sing Balang Araw, does it give you a different feeling? Because you went through something very difficult like that.
Yes, actually. Ako po personally, pag kumakanta po kami ng Balang Araw, there are times na, lalo na po when the setup was on a big crowd, parang all eyes on me, and then para ako nagkikwento sa harap ng maraming tao. Parang minsan emotional talaga siya. Kasi even before po like nung kakagawa lang po ng Balang Araw, emotional na po siya kasi nakaka-relate yung song or you can put the song into stories of starting or parang start, di ba? So emotional siya sa amin at that time. And then sa gitna ng journey, parang when you wait for something to come to you, parang spontaneous na ano man ang tawag doon, kasikatan ganyan, di ba? Parang that time na where you wait Tapos kumakanta kami ng balang araw. Parang emotional din siya. And then, up until that, may mga struggle na dumarating. Parang sobrang emotional niya. As in, yung song na yun, every time na pina-perform namin siya, there is something na pwede naming ma-recall. Even in the hard times na nangyayari sa. Lalo na kapag may hard times talaga.
Actually, for Balang Araw po, since it's our anchor song, lalo na as independent group, talagang kami din yung sumusulat ng mga kanta namin eh. So it's our experiences. And actually, now that we are four, naririnig nyo yung bagong version ng Balang Araw. Actually, it's gonna be part of our upcoming EP. And the dapat nyong abangan, yes, the new version of Balang Araw. Naririnig nyo na yun when we perform it. Pero we're not, hindi pa siya naka-release on streaming platform. So, dapat kayong ma-excite doon sa bagong arrangement. It was actually on a new key, a new arrangement. Lahat yun, marami kaming binago na dapat yung abangan doon. And I think kapag nagpe-perform kasi kami ng new version, it gives us something with a feeling of melancholy.
Yes.
But something na may closure with the, kasi yung unang Balang Araw namin, para siyang, it gives, with the arrangement and the, with the previous members, a start eh. It's a parang,
Very emotional.
it's a beginning. It's a beginning. But with this new version, it will give you more of like a reborn.
Asay, parang.
Yeah, parang more of like matured version of the previous Balang Araw. So dapat yung abangan yung upcoming EP namin.
Let's let everyone hear the songs that you already have. So, what is the next song that we're gonna play right now?
So this song, Please, is about a boy's first love, and this is about admiring someone, and also behind it, this song is about pursuing your career. You're putting yourself out there. So this is Please by Sync on Red Hot Radio Y101.
Yes. Yeah, please tell us about your upcoming EP.
Marami po kayong dapat abangan sa amin. With this first half ng year, marami po kaming pinaghandaan songs and performances na gusto namin i-share sa buong Philippines. Hopefully, makapag-tour kami. There's a lot of new perspectives sa songs namin. A lot of new experiences and thoughts in it. Even not our thoughts. I think POV ng lahat ng tao yung maririnig nyo. So, we have at least, tawag doon? Can I say the number inside the...
Well, abangan nila. Abangan nila.
Abangan nyo na lang kung ilan. But I think may enjoy nyo guys yung songs namin because it's very, siguro, in short, nakakakilig. And yet, para it's a rest. Yes. It's more.
Actually, itong EP na to, kung pag nilabas namin to, alam kong may excite yung mga Starburst namin kasi they will be seeing a different side of Sync. Sa mga nakita nilang past 3 songs namin, they would see another side of Sync na hindi pa namin na ilalabas before. And this EP will be showcasing our dance skills. This EP will be also showcasing yung galing ni Sevi, yung galing ng lahat ng members sa pagpapakilig.
Tuturuan ko sila. Alam na nila yun.
So this EP will be parang exploring a new side of Sync.
Ito yung side.
Hindi yan.
Makikita nyo rin yung title ng EP namin na hindi pa namin pwedeng ilabas now, pero abangan ninyo lahat.
Oh, so you already have the arrangement of the songs?
Yes.
Yes po.
Oh. So, Sevi, which song is your favorite? Without revealing a lot, song number what?
Yes. And
The dance.
The dance track.
Okay. Okay. For sure. What about Tijay? What about Tijay?
Song.
Yung yung rap.
Rap.
Oh, yes, of course.
Um, dance, rap and dance.
Yung
Oh.
yung sarap.
Sarap.
How about Pen? What's your favorite song sa iyo?
Favorite ko lahat, actually. Pero is
Ah.
yung may i-offer ko. May i-offer.
Yeah.
Pinaka-gaganon ko sa lahat is yung, ito. Hindi, yung song, panghirap explain. Basta yung nakakilig.
Kinikilig na siya.
But ang clue ko for this song is, clue talaga eh, no? Clue spoiler. Clue talaga. The spoiler ko for this song is, greetings.
Greetings. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
And si Clyde?
Ako, I think,
Fine.
kasi halos most of the songs dun, talagang, alam mo yon, magbibigay ng high energy. Ako, isa sa mga favorite ko. Favorite ko lahat eh. Pero isa sa mga favorite ko is yung mananakaut yung mga girls. Yes. Mananakaut yung mga girls. Parang nakita nila kami tutugtog agad sa utak nila yon. Parang may parang may himatay sila agad.
So when is the EP coming out? Is there already a date or what's going on?
Ay, kaya magbigay ng clue.
Wala pa, secret pa.
Date yet. But for sure, it's gonna be the
This
first
year.
half of this year. Yes.
Oh, okay. And the album cover design, did you guys make it as well?
We will be making it.
We will be making
We will
it.
be making it.
Wow.
Ng songs na nasa streaming platforms. We designed it talaga.
You decided.
Me design.
Yes, yung mga cover art ng mga songs namin. It was Kuya Pen who designed it.
So, baka this EP din, mas i-level up pa namin.
Even yung bago naming shirt, yung merch namin na t-shirt, Kuya Pen also made that.
Pili na po kayo.
How? Paano? How can the Starbursts and the Sync Buanos get those shirts?
I love that. I love
Sing
that name.
Buanos.
Sing Buanos.
On our social media accounts po, we have our link on our bio. Once you click it, madadirect po kayo sa page where you can register or
Pick it up.
answer some form, order form, and then yun po, papadala po namin wherever you are in the Philippines.
Kaya ito po! Woo!
In black and white, right? That's a really nice shirt, by the way. Wow. May black at saka may white, right?
Actually, yung white, it's exclusive for the members.
The white is for the members only.
And then the black's for our Starburst.
So it has our
Okay.
stickers and
Random photo card.
Oh, that's so cool. And you ship anywhere in the Philippines?
Yes po.
Sige, guys, do you have any special talents you want to share with Starburst?
Oh my God, I think ginawa ko siya nun sa
Bilang-bilang.
Pero hindi nila nakita up close. Right now, gagawin.
Ipakita mo up close sa screen.
Okay, ginawa ko po ito sa stage nung nasa Cebu, pero gagawin ko para mas makita niyo. Kaya kong gumawa ng 3 circles gamit yung kamay ko. Not just 3, actually 6. So,
Okay,
count
go. Okay. 1,
1,
1, 2,
parang chain. 2.
Okay.
And then,
3. Wow.
and then para maging 6 siya, gagawin natin.
Balik ako.
Ako ang gagawa. Ako mababalian ako ng daliri eh.
Okay. Yung gawa. I don't know how to do
Okay. Si Jai, do you have a special talent, Jai?
I think I might have to pass.
Okay lang. Baka si Tevi.
Quit.
Oh, sige, we will remember.
Kahit lang.
Me, I can sleep 24 hours.
Ayun. Ayun, actually. Wala po.
Kaya kong isama si
Yes, galing niya. He has a Pokemon and a minion.
Sa mga po,
Oh my gosh. Okay. What about Klein?
ala, hindi mo ipapakita si Wabo
Yeah,
Fett.
but paparinig, paparinig.
One, two,
Pakarinig mo si Wabo Fett.
Warren Buffett!
Ah!
I think the Starburst we're talking about that. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Wala po akong hidden talent.
Meron.
Nakatago lang.
Na misplace. Yung hidden talent ko po na misplace, I'm sorry.
Okay. Random question. Do you guys have pets?
Yes! We have our own individual pets
This is
back
my
sa
pet.
bahay. This is our pet.
No. No.
Po kaming individual pets sa mga kanya-kanya naming places. But here sa dorm namin, we have 2 cats.
Yes.
And makikita niyo po yung itsura nila sa music video namin nung Please, yung second song namin. Nandun po si
Oh.
Sam. Guy.
Yes, and ako naman po, meron po akong dog na inalagaan ko po start nung 2017. And then, nasa bahay po namin siya, sa family house po namin siya. Ang pangalan niya po ay Winter.
Winter.
Winter is from church po. Nakuha ko po siya from a church na parang an individual left a puppy beside the church. Nung wala pong pag-aalaga, ako na po nagdala pauwi sa amin.
Ako naman,
Right.
meron akong 3 dogs as of now. Si Spot, si Chanel, and then si Brown. Di ba? Very cliche yung name. Oh, this is Sky.
This is Sky.
This is Sky.
Oh, hi.
Hello, Sky.
Ah.
How about you, Kuya Jai?
I have one cat po. Puti din siya. Dati po, inampon po namin siya
And then,
nila Kuya Pen.
And
Yeah,
then,
and then
sinolo niya na
yeah.
po.
Sinola niya na. Inuwi niya na.
Yeah. Like, di ba meron ka isa pang cat? Tapos
Yeah,
like,
ano
parang
nga pala, actually.
nag-split sila.
So may dalawa po kaming cats na
Inampon.
inampon noon.
Yes.
And then, nung time na need namin separate ng homes muna,
Tag-isa
kinuha niya yung isa, then akin yung isa. Si Mina yung akin, an orange cat.
Yes. Akin po si Anne. Parang pinagbaliktad lang po siya.
First name.
I see.
So,
Hello!
Wala pa eh. Ano ba ako po, meron pa akong black cats. Nasa cat heaven na siya.
Oh.
Nung ano lang po, nung March.
Oh, wow.
Pero 2 years old na po siya.
Mm.
Pero nakuha ko siya nung mga 9 months siya. Binigay sa akin ng friend ko. Tapos, inuwi ko siya sa Ilocos. Then, parang, tawag doon, parang presence ko for my mom para makasama niya.
Oh.
Papa doon. And then,
representative.
representative. And,
Mm.
last March lang po siya napasa. Ayun po. Pero okay lang naman po. At least, happy na siya dun sa cat hair.
Mm.
Okay lang.
You know how strong Semi is because he's performing in Cebu during that time.
Oh my.
Yes.
Kaya po
Oh,
sobrang
during the event.
Yung
Oh,
energy
so sorry, Sevi.
heavy kasi binless siya ni Luna.
binigay na po sa akin ni Luna yung
Sa kanya yung energy ng cat niya.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Hugs from all the starbursts and the Cinque Buenos, diba? There's a new term,
Wow.
Cinque Buenos. Okay, final question before we play another song. What is your love language, guys?
English.
Tagalog.
May dalawang type po ng love language, di ba? Yung receiving end and then giving end. Okay. Who wants this? Ako muna? Okay. Yung love language ko po in a giving end, I think, giving gifts. Kaso hindi ko pa po afford ngayon. Pag afford ko na po, for sure. I'll giving gifts. Pero, ayun, kasi minsan, like, pag may naisip lang ako, kahit may nakita akong tag 50 pesos na flowers dyan or what, minsan binibili ko or, simple things lang, ganun. Tapos kapag receiving end ko naman, I think I like quality time. Yeah. Quality time and maybe acts of service. Yeah. Ikaw?
Ano man po yung love language ko? Tagalog. Joke lang.
Ilocano.
Ilocano. Eh, more on giving din po ako. Kasi mas prefer ko yung nag-give ako kaysa yung parang receive ako ng receive. Mas gusto ko yung nag-give ako kasi yung napapakita ko po yung effort ko, yung love ko mismo, parang gano'n. When, pag naman ko, pag receiving, mas gusto ko ng quality time, taka pagkain. Hindi, okay na sa akin yung coffee, tas kwentuhan, ganyan, basta kasama lang yung tao.
Coffee, so pwede kang i-acts of service na pagtitimplahan ka ng coffee.
Ayun, love talaga yun.
Love talaga.
Effort yung nagtimpla.
Yes.
Ma-appreciate ko yung ganun po. Kahit anong act of service, basta.
Alam nyo na, Starburst, kape lang. Timplahan sila.
Wag lang pagpalpitate
Yeah.
Ako po yung giving ko is act of service. Mahilig po ako
Mag-service.
Kumpon.
Opo, mahilig po ako mag-service. Mahilig po akong gumawa ng kung ano-ano. Kasi bibigay ko sa iba. And then, ang receiving ko naman po is quality time din. Yun lang, quality time.
Kaya mahal na mahal po namin isa't isa. Lagi po kami magkakasama.
Kailan magkakamukha na tayo.
Puro kami quality time po.
Actually po nakakasawa na eh.
Ano?
Saka naman yung pet.
So ako naman yung ano ba to?
Love.
Like parang gift kapag mag-give ako minsan
Gift.
sa mga ganun.
Gift.
Yeah.
Exclusive gift daw.
Monito.
Gift and siguro din quality time. Yeah. And then kapag sa receiving okay lang naman yung mga gifts ganun. And I will appreciate.
So pareho yung giving and receiving end mo.
Yeah.
Gift giving.
Exchange gift.
Exchange gift kailangan niya, Starburst.
Merry Christmas!
Yun, madali lang pala to. Exchange gift. Win-win situation. Win-win situation kayo kay Jai.
Yeah, kasi na-appreciate ko.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, another like random question. Do you guys play online games?
Yes.
How
Games, yeah.
Computer game.
Yeah. Good game.
Computer games. What's your favorite games?
Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
What's your favorite game?
Yung first person shooter, it's called Call of Duty po. And then ano po, naglalaro din po ako ng Valorant sometimes. Yeah.
Ako po ang very loyal to Valorant. Ano po yun? Nilalaro ko na po siya since pandemic days. So, Valorant.
Actually po siya po yung nag-influence sa akin.
Totoo.
Yes.
Ako po
Okay.
yung
Ano ka?
Nakawas siya.
Kung naka-livestream sila siya ang viewer.
Ako yung commenter po. Natry ko na po yung ibang mga games pero siguro yung pinakamatagal kong nalaro is parang yung ML.
Yeah.
Mobile Legends.
Savage!
Ako naman po, League of Legends. Been playing it for like more than 11 years now.
Wow.
Oh. Feeling ko pwede na akong lumaban. Baka naman.
You know.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever played against a Starburst or is that possible? No, is that possible? No.
I think it's possible. So,
4v4. Pwede ba?
Kaso for mostly kasi po ng teams consist of 5.
Yeah.
But we're 4.
Mm.
Si Miss J. She can play with us.
Sis Jenny. Okay.
Hindi pa po namin natatry makipaglaban sa Starburst online. Pero
Yeah.
Starburst online, matatry na namin very soon.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Online fan meet, para siyang, e-date with the Starburst this coming April 17, 8 p.m. Friday yun ng gabi, so nakauwi na lahat ng mga nasa school, tatrabaho.
Yes.
Tsaka yung mga Starburst namin sa Cebu, sa Cagayan de Oro, and other parts of the Philippines, may chance na ma-meet kami up close. Through the screen.
Just
But the best part of it naman is different siya sa mga fan meet na nagagawa na namin madalas kasi this time we get to talk to them more
Intimate.
more intimate, more personal, and then walang time limit. So I guess we
May
can
time limit
may
yun.
time limit pero
24 hours natin kakol na yun.
And
Sulit na panit yun ah. Parang hanggang sleep ko.
pero unlike sa mga fans, diba? After they sign, parang need to switch. Pero this time,
Yeah.
mas maraming time to to get to talk to us kasi.
and cool na box.
Ito ko na to. Ito ko na to.
So where do the fans go to join this online fan meeting?
And for those who haven't registered yet, so just go to our social media accounts, type sync, and then sa bio namin, there's a link na once you get to click it, ma-route kayo sa form namin together with the merch. Nandun po lahat ng form. So you just find the e-date with sync and then register lang po kayo and ayan, you can have your slot na po there. So this song is our latest track. The title is Paglipas ng Ulan. It's written by me and Klein. So this song tackles more positive thoughts about challenges that we've been through na kahit anong mangyari, nilipas din yan and you get to start afresh and lahat ng problems na na-experience mo is just a phase. Okay? So, this is Sync with Paglipas ng Ulan at Red Hot Radio Y101.
Okay, guys, so of course, we've known so much about you. We're so excited to see your performances. Where can they see Sync?
Magkakaroon po kami ng upcoming fan meet this April 17. Online fan meet po yun. So it's very accessible to every Starburst here in the Philippines and even abroad. And that's gonna be on 8 p.m. Philippine time, April 17. Sa mga gustong mag-register, please check our bio. Andun po sa link namin yung iba't ibang forms namin sa mga interested. You can see it there. And also on April 12, we will be Ayala Mall Terraces.
Yes.
Performing for Carrotland, Philippines. So we'll be covering a very special song from 17 there and our very own songs po. Yes, and also sa Access Pass 2026, we will be there in Abu Dhabi this late 2026 po. So sa mga excited at sa mga nag-aabang sa mga events namin, upcoming performances, feel free to follow us on our social medias at The Sync PH. Yes, all social medias and all streaming platforms po yan.
All right. And Klein, I know you've been talking about that event in Abu Dhabi during your performance here in Cebu, but maybe there still are some starbursts and some people just watching this interview and listening to us right now who don't know about it. That's in Abu Dhabi, and you're the Philippine representative. Or tell us more about it, Klein.
We will be performing po in an event. It's a festival called Access Pass 2026. And they will be having P-Pop Global Stage. And luckily, Sync was chosen to be the first delegate to represent P-Pop there in that stage po. And for the following years, it's gonna be open, for other P-Pop groups to have a chance or the opportunity to represent the Philippines. But we're very grateful po na Sync yung napiling delegate for this year. That's supposedly to be March, to be held last March. But unfortunately, there's a lot of things that happened in the place. So let's just pray for them and for the people there, hoping na mag-resume na lahat. But we'll be there late 2026.
Nice, very nice. And we're looking forward to that. We wish you all the luck because And we
Thank you
wish you
po.
all the fun because everyone deserves to see a sync performance. They're really, really amazing, Kodana. We really enjoyed their performances. That's why they already converted a lot of starbursts here in Cebu because of their performance. We posted on our social some, we asked our the starbursts and the sync buonos to ask you the questions that they want to ask you. So allow us to ask those questions and then maybe you can answer them, okay? So this one is from LIJK in X, and she says, what motivates you to keep on going on days when you feel exhausted or sometimes doubting yourself?
What motivates me po to keep on going when I feel exhausted or doubting myself? Rest, actually, myself. Kasi minsan, alam mo yun, minsan mayroon tayong inspiration normally, may motivation tayo normally. Pero kapag pagod na pagod tayo and drained, minsan nawawala sa isip natin yun. So what I do po kapag nagkakaroon ng ganong moments, nagpapahinga ako, I take a break para bumalik yung kumbaga yung sanity in a way. Bumalik yung kung paano mag-process yung utak ko normally. So, yeah, pahinga po talaga. It's very important sa wellness and sa welfare ng bawat isa sa amin. Kaya,
Same here lang po. Need talaga ng break pag exhausted. Tsaka need rin parang mag-unwind to relax nasa labas para hindi masyadong suffocated yung iniisip namin, parang ganun. Hindi namin ilabas yung mga thoughts namin, mga ganyan to para mas maging productive the next days. Ganun po.
Ako po, I have two. First is yung starburst po namin, their love. Kasi we always get, parang it's a privilege to be loved by these people, these many people.
Yeah.
Not just here, pero syempre, pati sa ibang parts ng Philippines, di ba? Parang, sino ba kami to be loved by so much many people? We just love for fun. Pero, yun yung isa sa mga reason kung ba't gusto namin gumawa para they still have a lot of like pool of choices na reasons to be na mahalin pa kami. And then my other motivation is my mom. Kasi even if there are times na I feel like parang tired and parang exhausted, given the break, pero what motivates me is when my mom talagang talks to me and says na parang tuloy mo pa yan, kaya mo yan, hindi kita pinanganak para maging para sumuko
Di
sa
ka
buhay.
nila
Yung mga ganon nila. Yan. Motivates me much.
Yeah, ako naman po, especially kasama na din po yung rest talaga doon, yung matutulog. Pero mostly, I go outside talaga alone po. And then, kasama ko din po minsan yung mga family ko. And I spend time with my family also. Kasi kapag parang pare-pares kaming nasa dorm, ano ba, nakakasawa naman. Okay, sige. Go outside. I'll go like coffee, whatever. Ayun.
Meron kaming ina-apply minsan na natutunan ko siya sa isang member ng K-pop group. Sabi niya, nung tinanong sila, how do you keep your group strong? Ngayon ina-apply na namin yun sa Sync. Don't see each other on your rest days.
Yeah.
Minsan, madalas talaga magkakahiwalay na kami on our rest days. Para pag magkikita-kita kami on our work days,
Parang
mag-solid kami.
miss namin.
Oo.
Parang, I miss you, bro!
Yeah, para sa pahinga namin, kanya-kanyang solitude kami.
Yeah.
Kung sakaling hindi kayo nag-pursue ng P-pop as P-pop idols, anong career ang pinupursue nyo?
Yes! Ayun! Yung question na yan. Ano po, ako po, proudly po ako na magiging YouTuber po ako. Kasi po, since ako po yung nag-e-edit ng mga vlogs namin, I do like video a lot. Yeah, that probably me na maging YouTuber talaga.
Ako maybe I'm gonna continue dancing and pursue professional choreographies. And then siguro I'm gonna study din para magkaroon ng normal job.
Ganun.
Siguro ako po siguro magbe-business ako.
Business. Oh.
Ang pasyendero.
Kasi same with my mom. Meron po siyang business kaya feeling ko magbe-business din po ako.
Oh, can you sell me this remote?
Bili mo na. Di ba?
Ako naman po, feeling ko, bukod sa nagtatapos ng psychology,
Ooh.
feeling ko social media influencer or more of like a lifestyle content creator po. Ganun. Kasi
Or life
lucky
coach.
na ako dito sa pagiging artist para maka-inspire ng people. And may outlet ako to let out what I think. Pero kung hindi ako artist, ganun po. Kasi I really love, touching people's lives. Not in a nosy way. Hindi yung chismosong touching people's lives, but inspiring them. Ganun po.
Dagdag ko
Okay.
yung akin.
Go.
Dagdagan na.
Go. Wala siya naisip na isa pang gusto niyang career.
Siguro pupursue ko yung pagiging prof, teacher.
Professor.
Oh, professor.
Tapos ko ngayon. If hindi ako nag-pursue na maging P-pop idol.
This one is from Marisa Ramirez. She says, how do you handle misunderstandings or conflicts in your team?
We don't. Hindi, joke lang. Suntukan. Joke lang. Suntukan po. Ilabas na agad mo yung galit. Actually,
Labas mo yung gloves.
parang ganon, but not physically. Parang let it out. Let it air out. Talagang direct or Kasi before, nabanggit ko nga kanina, the group has been so much. Siguro isa sa mga natutunan namin is wag nang patagalin kung ano man yung sama ng loob.
Wag na ipunin.
Oo, wag na ipunin. Kasi pwede naman siyang talagang madaan in a nice way of communicating or talking. Kahit nga po sinasabi ko rin sa kanila, sa mga members, mas okay na mag-away tayo ngayon kesa mag-ipon tayo ng sama ng loob sa mga darating na araw. Kasi at least kapag nagharap na or nag-confront, nag-usap na today, it will give you closure. Mapag-iisipan mo na siya after, mapag-iisipan mo na siya on the following days, kesa yung iniisip mo lang siya pero hindi niya na-communicate sa isa't isa.
Yes. Tsaka po, nakaka-affect kasi yun sa performance namin. If merong ganong away. Kaya need namin siyang ayusin.
Like parang tension, no?
Merong tension pag nasa stage. Parang awkward minsan po. Kaya need namin ayusin agad. If kaya ayusin. Ayaw kasi, away.
Hindi ko kami niyan, tropa kami niyan.
Mamaya mag-away pa sila.
Jab.
Job.
Okay, Dana, your turn.
I'm going over the questions. Not sure which one, so I'll just go by chronological order. This one's from Angel Yamo and asking to everyone, if you had a chance to go back to the past, what would it be and why?
Okay, I'll go first na lang. If I had a chance to go back to the past, what would it be and why? Actually, nung nagbakasyon kami, napag-usapan namin to, yung gantong question, and my answer still the same. I would not take it. Wala akong gustong baguhin sa past ko. Kasi I really do believe na nandito ako ngayon because of every choices, consequences, mistakes I've done in the past. And content na naman po ako kung nasan ako ngayon. I'm very grateful sa estado ko ngayon sa buhay. So, wala po akong gustong balikan or baguhin. Kumbaga, kaya niyang i-figure out yun. To my younger self, in case, kaya niyang i-figure out yun. Wala akong gustong spoil galawin sa kanya. Ganun. Ikaw. To everyone, if you had a chance to go back to the past, what would it be and why? Anong point ng life?
Siguro po the time na sobrang
Pwede mo siyang pag-isipin mo na.
Okay,
Pwede ka
sige,
mag-isipin.
Okay.
Ako po, hindi ko po siya babaguhin or papakialamanan. Pero gusto ko lang pong i-revisit yung mga happy moments.
You're gonna watch it.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. Every happy moments na na-achieve.
Mm.
Edit na lang ng ganun. Pero sa pahingkot ko rin or ma-watch ko rin yung mga elementary days ko, masaya ako ganun.
So, dapat may vlog, ha?
Vlog. Time travel with a camera.
Ako po, wala din po talaga akong gagawin talaga. Same to Klein and Kuya Pen. Kasi po, napadpad po ako sa ganitong industry for a reason. And yung time na yun na parang nangangarap ako, ay yun yung batang yun. Yun yung batang yun. And ayun, I trust universe naman na binigay sa akin to kasi ito yung gusto ko at ito yung meant ko talaga. So ayun.
Mga ayaw bumalik
Universe, let me pursue this.
Ikaw.
Bumalik po siya sa past.
Bumalik sa
siya.
past eh. Hindi ko na ulit sa present. Sorry, time travel lang po siya ng something.
For me po, siguro po wala na akong papalitan sa Pasko. Gusto ko lang siyang balikan sa times na masaya. Na yung mga times na po na kompleto yung family, ganun po.
Oo.
And parang yun po yung mga gusto kong time na quality time sa family. And syempre po yung sa pet na cat ko po. Parang gusto ko po siyang balikan sa time na kaya ko siyang, time na nakakasama ko po siya. Parang gano'n po. Gusto ko pong ma-feel yung mga gano'n time po. Yun lang naman po.
Thank you for sharing.
Is there a line in your song that holds a deeper meaning na maybe people weren't able to catch it in any of your songs?
Na-release na
Meron
po ba?
ba?
Sabi. Just kidding. Joke lang. Sa released. So, anong favorite line niyo daw na parang hindi, the people don't quite catch it that much, pero yung may hold na,
Yung sa akin, yung mga tumatakbo sa isip, tila patak ng ambon na parating na. It's like a normal experience sa ating lahat na parang on a normal day, mayroong glimpse of memory na dumadampi sa utak natin, and then it really influence how we go through a day. Parang may ganun. And then, each time na naaalala natin or nire-recall natin siya, nagiging siyang bigger thought. Nagiging siyang parang ulan. From ambon to ulan. And then, I think yung pinaka gusto kong ma-instill sa mga nakikinig for that line is that everyone goes through overthinking din talaga. It's how you really tawag doon? Conquer or parang harapin all everything on your mind. And then lahat ng mga bagay na napagdadaanan natin turns into memory sooner or after an experience.
Yeah, ako po yung sa balang araw, yung line na mga paghihirap ko na walang nakakakita, walang patunay sa ganyan po. And then like parang siguro it's fits na siguro sa action na parang ano ba yun, yung mga hindi nila nakikita yung mga hard works natin.
Yung
Ayun.
line kasi na yan, it means hindi porket walang nakakakita sa ginagawa ko, hindi totoo lahat ng nangyari sa akin. Yan
Yeah. At saka gagawin namin gagawin ang lahat para mapasati ng balang araw. So ayun na po yung mismong reason bakit kami nag-hard work.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Bumalik siya ulit sa past. Sige, ako muna. Yung favorite line ko, yung kadugtong nung kanya na sinabi niyang line, yung kahit na ipilit mong hindi masasaktan, puso ay hinahanda sa iyong tadhana. Kasi po para sa akin, sabi ko nga kanina, everything happens for a reason. So hindi natin maiiwasan na masaktan, ma-disappoint, magkamali sa life. Pero lahat po yun nangyayari kasi pine-prepare tayo for bigger things, for greater cause. Ganun. Wala, ba't sunduin na natin sa mga...
Ano yung line ko?
Siguro sayaw na lang kay Sevi.
Anong kanta ba yan?
Sa PNU.
Oh,
Yung ano po,
sana nasa...
oo,
Ayan.
Yung-
Nakalimutan
yung
nila.
sa line ko po na, sana nasabi ang nararamdaman
Na siyang,
na siyang naiwan sa nakaraan.
Ayun na, yan po siya ngayon sa paraan po.
Ayun nga.
Bakit?
Kasi nag-ano nga siya, di ba? Nag-travel. Ayun, nag-travel siya.
For matinding line na gusto.
For me po, yung line na yun is parang yung mga unsaid thoughts po na dapat sinabi ko na. Kasi ako po yung person na tahimik lang. Na, tahimik lang pero hindi ko masyadong nasasabi lahat yung mga gusto ko po. Parang ganun po. Na sana sinabi ko na lang. Ganun. Na parang meron akong mga regrets na hindi ko sinabi. Ganyan. Sana sinabi ko. Di mas ano po sa fulfilling sa akin. Ganun.
Ayun ang babalikan mo sa past.
Yun.
Yung mga sasabihin mo.
Sige, mamaya.
Mamaya, babalik ka.
May time pa siya sa taas.
Ganun. Yun po.
So most of us sa PNU and Bala.
Just one more for everybody.
Yeah.
To look at the person to your right, and then
Oh,
what
no,
is your
this
message
question
for
again.
him? So si Pen kay Sevi, si Sevi kay Klein, si Klein kay Jai, si Jai kay Pen. What would you say? Like just a quick message to each one. Oh, who will start?
Thank you. Next po. Pero ano po,
Kay Kuya Pen. Yeah, any message?
ayun.
Kagagansa.
Ikaw yung pinaka-mostly na nakaka-wrestling ko. Nakakakulitan ko po. Nakakakulitan ko. And
Sana matibay ka.
ayun, grabe yung pasensya mo. Grabe. Ayun, and sana sobrang grateful ako na ba to? Hindi ako naiiyak. Matapang ako, matapang. Na naparito ka sa group. And then, naging mabuti kang kuya para sa amin. Even though ako yung pangalawang kuya, pero ikaw yung pinaka kuya talaga dito. Ayan. Love you. Ayun, yun po. Yun lang po.
May sisip tayo.
Giant Pen. Ken. Giant Pen.
okay, kasi Sevi.
Salamat.
Hindi. First of all, thank you sa lahat-lahat ng ginawa mo. And,
Pag ulitin.
ulitin yun. Sige, thank you sa mga ginawa mo. And, kung bihira mo man marinig, just so you know, I'm always proud of you. Kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, kung ano yung mga naging decision mo. And, just keep on pursuing your dreams kasi dito lang naman kami para sa'yo, and yun lang. We're looking forward pa sa yung pag-bloom.
Sunflower.
Flower.
Sunflower.
Yun lang.
Na tayo magaganon.
Ako naman, kay Clyde. Thank you kasi parang hindi ka nag-give up sa dream mo and tas sa pagiging leader mo sa amin, nagagampanan mo siya. Lagi kang nandyan for us. Napaka-supportive mo sa lahat ng members. Yung mga life advices mo rin na sinasabi mo sa amin, syempre nakaka-help sa amin. Thank you for that. And tanda mo lagi na lagi kami andito. No matter what. Right. No matter what. And syempre magkakasama tayo ng ilang taon. Dito lang kami. Sa share na to.
Sa share na to. Hindi na to ba yun? Thank you.
Ayun, paka-strong ka sa group.
Yes. I'll be strong for
Sa
that.
life.
Hard. Okay. Ako kay Kuya Jai, dito ko na lang siya titignan. Baka umiyak ako pag dito. Ala.
Diyan, tignan mo ako.
Ay, tingnan sila.
Hindi. Kay Kuya Jai, siguro, nakikita ko yung efforts. Wala bang...
Wala.
Nakikita ko yung efforts mo. And mukha man siyang hindi ko na-express na nakikita ko. Hindi ko na kasi kailangan pansinin palagi kung nagagawa mo ng magaling or ng maganda. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang kailangan kong pansinin sa'yo bilang leader mo is yung mga kailangan na i-improve mong alam kung kaya mo pa. Tsaka lahat ng sinasabi ko sa'yo, sana wag mo siyang i-take na parang, kahit actually din lang kay Jai to pero kay Jai ko mostly gustong sabihin. Lahat ng sinasabi ko is coming from, I mean well, it's coming from a place of concern, place of care. Yeah. Kasi never kong ibababa kahit sino sa inyong tatlo.
Tatas.
Yeah. I would always lift each other, kayong tatlo, para sa ating apat.
Ayan, oh. Wow.
Ayun, heart.
May lobas na heart eh.
Paano yun?
Ayan, oh.
Eh.
Dapat mag-message tayo kay Pen. Bakit sa akin? Ano ba?
Happy birthday!
Maybe before you invite everyone to your events one more time, just to remind them and your social media accounts as well, maybe you can sing us a line. Is that okay? Maybe sing us a line of your favorite song. Which one? Line or two? Something like that. Okay. And dedicate it to all the starbursts watching this video and listening to us.
Alright, para ito sa mga Starburst at sa mga Syncwanos. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and... Balang araw, ating tuparin ang ating balang araw. Di makita, alam ng puso ang nais na makuha at di alintana ang suliraning paharapin.
Gagawin ang lahat para mapasatin.
Balang araw.
Wow, Buffett!
Papoy.
Papoy.
Thank you po.
So once again, thank you so much, Klein, Sevi, Pen, and Jai, and of course, Kudana. Thank you for your time. More power. Please invite them one more time to your upcoming events.
So everyone, we are inviting you sa April 12. We will be on Ayala Malls Terraces. Dito lang sa may Fairview for Caratlan, Philippines. And on April 17, magkakaroon kami ng online fan meet, 8 p.m. That's gonna be on Friday night. So I hope maka-attend kayong lahat. That's for everyone na nandito sa Metro Manila, Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, and every other parts of the Philippines, even abroad. Sana magkita-kita tayo for an intimate fan gathering this Friday night. On that Friday night. See you guys.
And your UAE also. Your Abu Dhabi, sorry.
Okay. Sana sa mga kababayan namin dyan sa UAE, we will be on Abu Dhabi late 2026 and we will be performing for the P-pop Global Stage on Access Pass 2026. See you there. 2, 3. Let the stars align. We are Sync.
Hello, my name's Jai.
Hi, my name is Ben.
Hi, I'm Sevi.
Hi, I'm Klein. Listen to our songs in Red Hot Radio Y101.
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. See you soon.
Fireworks. Walang fireworks. Fireworks after 2
Oo nga. Bye po.